Assalamualaikum, my name is Aisyah Zahra. Today, me and my teams are going to present about an overview of the construction industry, the potential hazard from the construction industry, health hazard from the process industry, and environment effects contributing by the industry. And the last but not least, we are going to discuss about the control measures to eliminate or reduce the risk of the hazards. But before that, what is the construction industry? Construction industry is composed of companies and workers that are focused on physical construction of buildings and infrastructure. In the construction industry, a construction site is a hub of activity with various processes. Construction sites may appear chaotic to an observer. However, there is an underlying order within which contractor and crew operate to transport an empty lot into finished building. Next, I'm gonna share you guys about the physical hazard in the construction industry. Physical hazards are defined as unsafe conditions that can cause injury, illness, and death. Physical hazards that always happen in a construction site are often caused by equipment used, such as scaffold, power access, equipment, and machinery for excavation or drilling and process.
Firstly, fall from height. Usually, a fall from height induces injuries which happen when workers are working on scaffolding or ladders. A potentially dangerous fall can also result from ladders that are not appropriate for the task. In addition, ladder, roof work, lifting, or moving heavy tools were identified as risk factors that can be considered as physical hazard having dangerous effects. Next is electrocution. Electrical hazard has been identified to be a high risk in the construction site with a score of 8. A dangerous condition such as direct contact or equipment failure can constantly result in electric shock or electrocution, arc flash burn, thermal burn, and blast. After that, slip, trip, and fall. Slip and fall happen due to the scaffolding and roof work or open edge. This happen due to several reasons. For instance, wet and slippery surface, loose debris, uneven surface, and damaged pavement. This hazard can lead to various injuries, varying in severity from minor cuts and bruises to more serious fractures or even head and spinal injury. Several falls can also result in fatalities. Last one is falling debris and falling objects. Several weather such as strong winds, heavy rains, or storm can dislodge loose material and cause them to fall. This hazard can cause several injuries if workers are struck by falling debris or objects. Head injuries, fracture, cuts, and bruises are common. In extreme cases, it can lead to fatalities.
Now, I will talk about chemical hazard in construction industry. So, what is chemical hazard? Chemical hazard refer to substances that have the potential to cause physical and health hazard for human or harm to the environment due to its chemical properties. One of the examples of chemical hazard that is commonly used in construction is Portland cement clinker. Cement contains compounds that are harmful to both people and the environment. These compounds, such as tricalcium silicate and decalcium silicate, can react with water to create an alkaline environment that poses a threat. Next, improper storage handling or use of construction material can lead to chemical reaction and interaction that pose a hazard. For example, substances that should be stored separately may come into contact with each other, leading to dangerous reaction. Third one is